Good afternoon, Chris here from First Digital with another 60-second tip that will save you more than 60 seconds. However, I am going to try and fit 3 into today's video, all based on Outlook. Number 1, if you receive an email that you know you need to deal with but you don't have the time right now, you can snooze that email. You'll find this up here under the snooze button. It will take that email temporarily away from your inbox and deliver it back at the specified time, whether that be later today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, or a time and date of your choosing. Number 2, let's say you want to write an email for tomorrow or you're working over the weekend, but you want it to arrive at 9 AM Monday morning so people think you take some time off. You can write your email and then just click send later. Specify the time and date you'd like it to arrive and voila, it'll arrive just then for you. Lastly, let's say that you're struggling to find a suitable time for a meeting with multiple people. Microsoft have released an add-in called Find Time. As an organiser, you tell it when you're available and send it to the other meeting attendees. They tell it which of the options suits them. When an agreement is reached, it will send the calendar invite along with the Teams meeting request for everyone to attend. Hopefully these are useful and something you can try out in your own time. For more information, please do contact me on chris.shanks@firstdigital.co.uk.